Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel RDGK and Jobs and hit the big fat subscribe button to get new job and GK updates. Friends, here is a new notice again, which is from West Bengal Police Recruitment Board. As you can see, that recruitment to the post of constable and lady constable in West Bengal Police 2020, it means 2020 recruitment. So as you can see that applications are invited from eligible Indian citizen and having following eligibility criteria for recruitment to the post of constable and lady constable in West Bengal Police 2020. NVF Homeguard personnel and civic volunteers serving in West Bengal Police only are also eligible to apply subject to fulfillment of eligibility criteria. So as you can see, the eligibility criteria is age. Your age must be, as you can see that your age, so the applicant must not be later than 18 years old and must not be more than 27 years. It means your age must be within 18 to 27 years old as on 1/1/2021. So the upper age limit shall be relaxed 5 years for SC and ST category, and 3 years relaxation will be for other backward classes. It means OBC. And NVF and Home Guard personnel serving in West Bengal Police are also eligible for relaxation and upper age limit as per existing government order, and however no age relaxation is available for the civic volunteer personnel serving under West Bengal Police. So as you can see, the education qualification, so here education qualification is the applicant must have passed Madhyamik examination from the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education or its equivalent. So as you can see, the language, so the language is, as you can see, the language, the applicant must be able to speak, read and write in Bengali language. However, the provisional will not be able to speak, will not be applicable to the persons who are permanent resident of hill subdivisions of Darjeeling and Kalimpong districts. Number 4, NVF and Homeguard personnel civic volunteers serving under West Bengal Police application and are desirous of applying should complete 3 years of service as on 1/1/2021. So as you can see, the application forms may be submitted through online and offline modes. So online and offline modes you can submit the form, and during the period from 22/1/2021 to 22 and 2021. It means you have 1 month time, similar to sub inspector. So the last date of receipt of filled in application form through postal services for offline applicants is 20/2/2021 5 p.m. The last date of deposit and application and or processing fees is respect of only the applicants applying through online and mode using Punjab National Bank Chalan will be 23/2/2021 during banking hours due to technical reasons. So guys, if this video is helpful to you, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.